I feel like false information is everywhere. In my day-to-day life, I see it all the time on social media, and I just can't seem to get away from it. It seems like it's the only thing that gets pushed anymore, is false narratives and other inaccuracies and rumors about things that just are simply not true. Hi, my name is Gino. I've been using social media for as long as I can remember. Every time I go on social media, I feel like it's propaganda being thrown at me. I feel like they're trying to change the way I'm thinking, when all I really want is to know what's going on in the world, and it's frustrating.